Yeah, so once again, it's a really good conference, really interesting. All the major system providers are here, a lot of end users and vendors giving their points of view. So it's a really good opportunity to meet a lot of important people in the industry all in one place, finding the engagement extremely good. When I've had the opportunity to get into the conferences and listen and get away from the booth, it has been very interesting to hear about how going beyond 100G is a real challenge. Obviously 100G is now really mainstream. It's really taking over, particularly in the long haul. But that next step, as was discussed in a few presentations, much more challenging and obviously a lot more restrictions imposed on reach. So the next step in capacity is maybe not going to be quite such an obvious one as the reach from 10 to 100G. That's very interesting, and we hope to have some products which will address that leap. We have two presentations in the main conference. Chris Towery this morning talked about fibers for the long haul and how with these more reach-limited protocols coming into play, the two things that are really important in a fiber are low attenuation, as low as possible, and large effective area. So those are two areas where you get optical signal-to-noise ratio benefit by pushing both of those attributes out. And what we're demonstrating here on the booth is an EX3000 fiber, which is used at the moment in submarine applications, but it has an extremely low attenuation, 0.146 dBs per kilometre, and a 145 square micron effective area. So it's really much the state of the art in terms of pushing those attributes forward. Then tomorrow, Vanessa Diaz is going to be talking more about fibers in the access, and the key issue in terms of the access we regard is space. So we'll be talking about how fiber technology makes the fibers more bend resistant, in addition to low loss, so you can put them into more constrained spaces and support smaller cables. So you've even got 144 and 216 fiber cables, incredibly small diameters, and they can be used in the constrained space in the access now.